Assalamu alaikum. My name is Gufran Ahmed Naeem, final year student at the Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences under the Bahria School of Maritime and Applied Sciences. I am today's host for the webinar session on BS Remote Sensing and GIS admissions. So today, here with me, I have panelists. Please give introduction.
My name is Mohammad Irfan, Assistant Professor in Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences, Bahria University, Karachi campus.
And I'm Mariam Awasi, fresh graduate from Earth and Environmental Sciences Department under Maritime and Applied Sciences.
Mr. Rehan.
Assalamu alaikum. Sayyid Rehan Ijaz. Sayyid Rehan Ijaz here. RS in GIS.
So let's just move on with the program. So for the session, I would like to ask you about the program details on what the duration is and how long is it for.
Basically, it's a 4-year degree program and it will comprise 136 credit hours. And during this program, we will learn about the basic of earth sciences, and further we will teach you about the remote sensing and GIS from basic to advanced level. And you will also learn about the data which has been managed by the satellite, which are collecting from the satellite, and these data application for different application in current day world, as this field is a newly emerged field in Pakistan. So you will have a lot of subjects in which I would name like database management. You will have also some programming subject, especially C++, Python, and some courses related to remote sensing and GIS application for environmental science, for minerals, and for oil and gas detection.
So let's talk about its eligibility criteria. Please tell more about it.
So for applying, students must have 50% marks in their intermediate, and they should be of pre-engineering, pre-medical, or general science background in intermediate. And after applying online in admission portal, they will appear for CBT, which is computer-based test. It's a 120 minutes duration test and MCQ-based test, and it has verbal and subject-based questions.
So further information for the CBT can be found on the Bahria University Karachi campus website. Over there, you'll be able to find the specific subjects required for the CBT. So following that, let's talk about the career prospects of this degree. Mr. Rehan, would you tell us more about the job opportunities available?
Yes. As an RS and GIS expert, remote sensing and geographic information system expert, your career prospects are promising and diverse. The integration of RS and GIS has become a critical various industries now, including environmental management, agriculture, urban planning. It is an increasing demandable subject in the modern world. The demand for RS and GIS expert continue to grow as an organization recognized. Various industries are required as for RS and GIS expert. Like you can work in government agencies like SOPACO, PCRWR, PCSAR, and other esteemed organization, research institute, and environmental consulting firms, and non-profit organizations, and private companies, and environmental management, monitoring and management systems. RS and GIS expert play a crucial role in monitoring and managing environmental resources and urban planning and infrastructure development, like infrastructure development, zoning, and city management that require RS and GIS expert. It also agriculture and forestry department also require RS and GIS application expert that can use these technologies in agriculture for precision farming and crop monitoring, yield prediction. So in forestry, they can help in forest inventory, disease detection, and conservation efforts. So, like that
Thank,
organization and areas where we could go.
thank you for the information. So, Ms. Mariam Abbasi, as a fresh graduate of this university, why Bahria?
So basically, Bahria University is a project of Pakistan Navy, and it has a very safe and conducive environment. As well, it is fifth ranked university among all the Pakistani universities according to the HGC ranking. All the courses aligned with this are aligned with the latest industry practices, and highly qualified PhD faculty and industrial experts are doing their job here as visiting faculty. Bahria University has 45 linkages with the international universities, and it offers various programs like student exchange programs, summer schools, etc. They have advanced digital labs and flipped classrooms, strong industry and alumni network that helps greatly in placements and internship opportunities. Variety of scholarships are provided to students that are need based or on merit basis. And this university has advanced library having 17,000 plus books and 24-hour access to international journals. So BU facilitates its students by giving them extracurricular activities, providing gym facilities, mosque, and other things at their campuses.
Thank you for that. So, well, thank you for being here for our session. Further information regarding the department can be found on the screen, and if you wish, you could contact us for further information on the admission details. We would pleased to have you here. Thank you.